much cooler day today than we've seen recently. Big drop.
We felt the fall vibe, Amanda and I. You missed it.
Well, poor Brian actually was stuck inside all day. So
that's
I went out for a quick little walk.
Yeah, I didn't do that. All I noticed was the rain this morning.
Yeah,
frankly.
Which annoyed me because it definitely rained longer than I anticipated over southern Maine.
We knew there'd be sun.
A little bit longer than we thought. A lot of clouds, especially over the southern, well, really 2/3 of the state. Far northern Maine did all right as far as cloud cover went. Temperatures corresponding to that, 73 in Caribou. One of our cooler days, though, in Portland at 71, 71 in Sanford, 72 in Wiscasset. So the rest of today will continue to be cloudy. There's an isolated sprinkle out there over southern Maine. Tonight, an area of rain sails largely to our south, but it will once again clip from Portland south and probably just maybe a little into Oxford County too. A lot of times there's showers out ahead of the actual shield of precipitation. This is 4 in the morning though, so a lot of this happens overnight into the very early morning hours tomorrow along the coastline, and then we move that away. We're able to clear out. And we're in good shape tomorrow afternoon with temperatures in the mid-70s, a lot of sun through the second half of the day, and dew points remain low, so it's really quite comfortable. I think Thursday is the best day of the week. We get a lot of sunshine in there. We start in some spots in the 40s on Thursday morning, 50s along the coastline. And then we end up with a lot of sunshine by Thursday afternoon, temperatures in the mid and upper 70s. And then clouds increase from southwest to northeast overnight Thursday, and then some showers start working their way in on Friday. This moisture is actually going to be correlated to what's left of Debbie. Debbie is still a tropical storm. I got a cough here, I just got to let out. Hold on a second. I'm sorry. There was no way there was going to be 2 minutes of me holding that. All right, there's that tropical storm down towards Charleston. It's going to meander its way north, and we don't have to worry about wind impacts here. It's just the moisture being advected into a front that's approaching on Friday and Saturday. So there'll be a lot of tropical moisture around. You can see that bowling ball of a low moving up and then moving into our neck of the woods on Friday night and into Saturday, the first half of the day. So the question is, where's the heaviest rainfall? Where's the axis of heaviest rain? European model keeps a lot of it well west of us into Pennsylvania, into upstate New York. GFS American model is a little bit closer with this, giving us an axis of heavy rain. You can see in some cases in excess of 6 inches that reaches into our western mountains. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. My sense is it will likely be to our west. But I'd like to give it another day to be sure. Then we're not going to get on the really heavy rainfall. This, by the way, would be a disaster for Vermont, where they had several big flooding events recently. So hopefully it doesn't play out that way. So I think our rainiest time is Friday afternoon, Friday night, in through the first half of Saturday. We might be able to sneak out a little clearing on Saturday afternoon over western Maine. Don't bank on it, but there's a chance. And we're certainly in good shape on Sunday as that system moves out in time. Temperatures linger into the mid-70s into early next week. It looks temperate again. No huge heat here in the next 7 days, but comfortable enough. And I really like Thursday. I think that's by far the best day here this week.
Actually, a decent stretch. Yeah. Looks good. Keith, thank you.